This Friday at 11 a.m. is when the UT Tyler softball team will begin their journey to get to the Division III Softball World Series. They are hosting their regional at the UT Tyler ballpark this weekend, and that is just a huge advantage. Sleep in their own beds right there. Now, it is a double elimination tournament, but to get to the World Series, they've got to win this weekend. Here's our Emily Gagnon with a preview.
A trip to the World Series is just a week away for the UT Tyler softball team, but first the Lady Patriots have to get through the Tyler Regional.
Our sole talk has been, whoever was the next game, and now that we found out that Southwestern is just Southwestern, and not let anyone else talk about or us talk about championships.
After a disappointing ASC tournament championship loss, the first-seeded Lady Pats have a chip on their shoulder entering this weekend's action, showcasing 6 teams.
I think it helps having to sit on that loss for about a week and a half now. Normally we get to play again and get it out of our system, but we've had to think about it. And so I think that's helped us in our practices, stay focused.
We didn't finish how we wanted to at the conference, and so we're ready to come out and prove ourselves to everybody else and show them we can do it.
We're ready for the opportunity to play and to win and hopefully go to the World Series.
The team is ranked 8th in the nation, and with 8 seniors on it, there's no lack of leadership. The leading ladies know what's on the line.
There's definitely some extra determination to win this because I won't have another chance, and neither will the rest of the seniors. And so I think that's an asset to our team that we have so many seniors, and we understand that we literally won't have another chance at this.
The games begin Friday, and the Lady Patriots could meet ETBU once more, the team who took their conference title away. Reporting from UT Tyler, Emily Gagnon, CBS 19 Sports.
All right, thank you, Emily. Hey, want to congratulate these folks right here. The ASC Conference Awards have been released. UT Tyler dominated. Joey Cronin named your Player of the Year in softball. Kelsey Batten named Pitcher of the Year for the Lady Pats. And we can't leave out Kevin House from White House. He was named the Conference Player of the Year for the Patriot baseball team. They'll play in a couple more weeks. Congratulations to all three. Well.